Hey, take a look at this channel. In just 3 months, it gained over 160,000 subscribers, with only 30 to 40 short videos. Pretty wild, right? Now look at another channel. It's got the same type of content, same style, and honestly, just massive views. All by posting these pause-stop challenge videos. So the real question is, how are they making these videos? Today, I'm going to show you the simplest way to create these viral pause challenge videos, step by step. And if you watch this video till the end, you'll be able to create any type of pause challenge content on your own. So let's get started, without wasting any time.
First, you need to generate an image of a famous character, for example, Cristiano Ronaldo. You can use AI image generators inside ChatGPT or any other AI tool you prefer. Once the image is generated, download it to your device. Now open PicsArt to edit the image. Tap on Edit a photo, then choose Background and select a transparent background. Before we start editing, we need to adjust the canvas size. Go to Tools, select Crop, choose 16:9, and then double tap to switch it to 9:16. This size is perfect for shorts and reels. Now add the downloaded image and adjust it properly according to your layout. Next, select the image and use the Remove Background option. After that, you can use AI Enhance to slightly improve the image quality. This step is optional, but it can make your image sharper and more professional. Once done, download the edited image. Also, download the version with the original adjustment, because we'll use both later in the editing process. Now let's create another image using a different method. Create a new canvas with the same 9:16 size. This time, go to the Stickers section and search for any character, for example Messi. You'll find multiple ready-made cutout images. Add the sticker and adjust it according to your design. After that, select the image and tap on the Eraser tool. Erase specific parts creatively, for example, remove half of the body or certain background areas depending on the effect you want. Then download that version. Go back again to the Eraser tool and tap on Invert. This will select the opposite area. Download this version as well. Now your images are fully ready. It's time to create the video. Now open KineMaster and tap on Media to choose a solid color background. You can select any color you like. Adjust the duration according to your video length. Next, go to Layers, then Media, and add the images we created earlier. Remember, we have two images, one with the background and one PNG image with the background removed. The image with the background should stay on the bottom layer, and the PNG image should stay above it. This layering is very important for creating the proper effect. Now select the PNG image, scroll down, and tap on Adjustment. Copy the settings carefully by reducing the brightness and increasing the contrast until the PNG becomes completely black. After that, duplicate this black PNG layer. Select the duplicated layer, go back to Adjustment, and tap on Reset at the top. This will restore the original image. Now we have 3 layers in total. The bottom layer is the background, the middle layer is the black shadow image, and the top layer is the main image, the one people will pause on. Always remember, this type of video works best with 3 layers. Now select the top layer and tap on Overall Animation. Choose any movement animation you like. For this example, I think this animation looks good. Click Done. Preview the video and you'll see the effect instantly. Once everything looks good, export the video in high resolution. Now let's try another method using keyframes. Select the image and adjust it to full canvas. Add a keyframe in the center, then follow this pattern carefully. Move to the first keyframe and slightly shift the image to the left. Leave the second keyframe as it is. On the third keyframe, move the image slightly to the right in the opposite direction. Leave the fourth keyframe unchanged, and on the last keyframe, move it back to the left similar to the first one. Now preview the result and you'll see a smooth movement effect that looks almost like magic. Adjust the duration according to your preference, then duplicate the animated section and extend it to match your full video length. Now it's your turn to create your own viral video. Stay consistent, keep experimenting, and if this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and join the journey. Because the next video might be the one that changes your channel completely.